Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a PNG from PixelLab. It's very simple and I'm going to teach you in the most easiest way I have felt. And firstly you have to open the PixelLab and you can download it from Play Store. Here it is, and then delete this one. After that, first what you have to do is to make PNG you have to choose this transparent one, and this is the first thing you have to do. And then you have to you have to choose the image from gallery. Okay, of which image you want to make PNG. Of this one, let's take this image, and it's okay. Then click right here, and then it's fit here. Okay, and then you have to choose the erase color, and then click on, and after that your PNG is created in a very simple way and easy way. And then now you have to save the image, and for saving you can choose ultra way, and you can see there is mentioned PNG, and that's all the way to make PNG. And now you can see on your gallery that your PNG is saved. And this was the video, and thank you so much for watching. This is the PNG, this is the video.